Good morning. Today we are in the province of Novara. We are in a heating plant that has been in operation for some years already. The customer buys large quantities of pellets in 11 quintal sacks or big bags, and stores them under a porch here not far from the heating plant. The customer complains about the difficulty of transporting the pellets from the big bags to the boiler tank, and of course also the amount of dust created during filling and transport. We decided to install a spider to be inserted into the sack. The spider takes the pellets from the sack and transports it pneumatically into the heating plant. Above the boiler tank, we installed a dispenser unit to release the pellets. Just downstream of the dispenser unit we installed a cyclone, a Turbix, which almost completely eliminates all the dust and sawdust that the pellets release in the air. We then installed the heart of the system, the central vacuum cleaner, a Nova 1 Plus. It has a large filter to completely purify the air so that the air remains clean. We also installed the drive, which is the control line for the whole system, and allows us to make adjustments to the system.